Hi, Sharan Krishna.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Divya. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side.
Okay.
Okay, before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Sharan Krishna, can you say about yourself and about your native?
Ma'am, I'm basically from Belgaum,
Okay.
and my native place is Kerala.
Okay. Yeah,
So,
it's nice. Very interesting. Like, can you just introduce yourself in Malayalam?
എൻ്റെ
Can
പേര് വന്നിട്ട് ശരൺ കൃഷ്ണ. ഞാൻ ബെൽഗാമിന് താമസിക്കായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ നേറ്റീവ് വന്നിട്ട് അവന്റെ കേരള ആണ്, ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം ബേസിക്കലി. ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ പഠിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. CSM എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു കോഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, സർട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ഇൻ അഡ്വാൻസ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ മാനേജ്മെന്റ്. അതിപ്പോ പഠിച്ചിട്ട് 2 മാസം പഠിച്ചതിന് ശേഷം ഇപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് പ്ലേസ്മെന്റ് ആയി ശ്രീറാം പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു കമ്പനിയിൽ. ഇപ്പൊ അവിടെ പ്ലേസ് ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞു.
how you got to know about CMTI?
I got a referral from one of my uncle.
Okay.
He sent me here. Like, it is a good institute for getting knowledge, to gain knowledge and enhance my skills.
Okay. Like what you have learned from CMTI?
Basically, I learned like everything which was not there in college, like reading, drawing, sequence of construction, and many more.
Okay. What about the site visits? Like how many sites?
Yeah, they had taken us for many site visits, like Central Jail and Victoria Hospital. It was a good experience going with them.
Okay. Sharan Krishna, what about your software training? How it held? How it?
Software trainers also were very good. They taught us from basics, like using from scratch to the upskills.
Okay. Sharan Krishna, just can you just say about your trainers and Ashok sir, how they helped you out?
Ashok sir guided us more about project management, how many companies come to us and how companies are. He explored us about the companies which are there and many more things. And basically, Natarajan sir helped us with everything, like from reading of drawing sequence, everything. They made us like, they prepared us for interviews also. And then Divya ma'am, of course, and Monica ma'am, and our HR Shweta ma'am.
CMTI app, how it helped you?
CMTI, basically we can just go home and go through the all our schedules by seeing all the courses offline, online in the house.
Okay. Then how about your confidence level? Like you have gained the confidence level
Yeah, ma'am, I have gained my confidence level here.
compared to before than joining after CMTI. Can you just say?
Yeah, I've gained knowledge. I've gained more friends. I've overcome my negative things, and I've gained confidence.
Okay. I hope you are happy with your placement, Shah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. And finally, what you want to say for your friends and juniors?
Like CMTI is a good platform to enhance your skills, and can refer everyone who hasn't got a job yet and will surely have a job.
Thank you, Sharan Krishna, for your feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Thank you.
wish a good luck for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.